In today's competitive job market, securing financial opportunities is crucial for achieving our dream careers. Whether you're a recent graduate, a seasoned professional looking to switch fields, or someone simply seeking to advance in your current role, unlocking hidden grants and scholarships can be the key to reaching your career aspirations. Many individuals are unaware of the abundance of lesser-known grants and scholarships available that can provide the necessary financial support to pursue their goals. These opportunities not only alleviate the burden of student loans and other financial constraints, but also open doors to new possibilities and growth in your chosen field. In this video, we will delve into the importance of tapping into these hidden resources and how they can significantly impact your career trajectory. We will explore practical ways to enhance your financial stability and advance in your career by taking advantage of these valuable grants and scholarships. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to unlocking hidden financial opportunities that can propel you towards your dream career. Exploring hidden treasures. 1. The Dream Achievers Scholarship is a prestigious award aimed at supporting ambitious individuals pursuing careers in STEM fields. Eligible applicants must demonstrate exceptional academic performance, leadership qualities, and a passion for innovation. The application process involves submitting a detailed essay outlining career goals and how the scholarship will help achieve them. Previous recipients have gone on to secure top positions in leading tech companies, showcasing the transformative impact of this scholarship. 2. The Empower Women Grant is a unique opportunity designed to empower women entrepreneurs looking to break into male-dominated industries. This grant provides financial assistance, mentorship, and networking opportunities to help women succeed in their chosen fields. Successful applicants have reported significant growth in their businesses and careers, attributing their success to the support received through this grant. 3. The Global Impact Fellowship offers aspiring social entrepreneurs the chance to make a difference on a global scale. This fellowship provides funding for projects that address pressing social issues and promote sustainable development. Past fellows have implemented impactful initiatives in underserved communities worldwide, showcasing the potential for positive change through this grant. 4. The Innovation Catalyst Grant is a game-changer for creative individuals seeking to turn their innovative ideas into reality. This grant supports projects that push the boundaries of traditional thinking and drive progress in various industries. Recipients have launched groundbreaking products and services, revolutionizing their respective fields and inspiring others to think outside the box. 5. The Future Leader Scholarship is a beacon of hope for students from underprivileged backgrounds striving for academic excellence. This scholarship covers tuition fees, living expenses, and mentorship support to help students overcome financial barriers and achieve their educational goals. Many recipients have graduated with honors and gone on to pursue successful careers, proving that with the right support, anything is possible. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now, and you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. There is also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. Now let's continue. 6. The Creative Minds Grant is a coveted award for aspiring artists, writers, and performers looking to showcase their talents on a global stage. This grant provides funding for creative projects, workshops, and exhibitions, allowing recipients to gain exposure and recognition in their respective fields. Successful applicants have used this grant to launch successful careers in the arts and entertainment industry, highlighting the transformative power of creativity. 7. The Healthcare Heroes Scholarship is a noble initiative that supports individuals pursuing careers in healthcare professions. This scholarship offers financial assistance, mentorship, and networking opportunities to help students excel in their studies and make a positive impact in the healthcare sector. Recipients have gone on to become healthcare leaders and advocates for patient care, demonstrating the profound influence of this scholarship on shaping future healthcare professionals. 8. The Green Innovation Grant is a forward-thinking opportunity for environmental enthusiasts seeking to drive sustainability initiatives in their communities. This grant funds projects that promote eco-friendly practices, renewable energy solutions, and conservation efforts. Past recipients have implemented impactful environmental projects leading to positive changes in their local environments and inspiring others to adopt green practices. 9. The Diversity in Tech Scholarship aims to bridge the gender and racial gap in the tech industry by providing financial support to underrepresented individuals pursuing careers in technology. This scholarship offers funding for coding boot camps, tech courses, and networking events to help recipients break into the tech field. Many scholarship recipients have secured positions at top tech companies, contributing to a more diverse and inclusive tech workforce. 10. The Entrepreneurial Spirit Grant is a game-changing opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs with innovative business ideas. This grant provides funding, mentorship, and resources to help entrepreneurs launch and grow their ventures. Successful grant recipients have built successful businesses, created jobs, and made a positive impact in their communities, showcasing the entrepreneurial spirit's potential to drive economic growth and innovation. To maximize your chances of securing these hidden grants and scholarships, research each opportunity thoroughly. Tailor your application to highlight your unique strengths and qualifications, and seek guidance from mentors or advisors in your field. Take proactive steps towards applying for these financial opportunities, as they could be the stepping stone to realizing your dream career aspirations. Success stories and testimonials. Meet Sarah, a recipient of the Dream Achievers Scholarship, who pursued her passion for computer science with the support of this prestigious award. Sarah's testimonial highlights how the scholarship not only alleviated her financial burden, but also provided her with the resources and opportunities to excel in her field. Today, Sarah is a successful software engineer at a leading tech company, attributing her career success to the transformative impact of the scholarship. John, a budding entrepreneur, shares his experience with the Entrepreneurial Spirit Grant, which enabled him to turn his innovative business idea into a reality. With the grant's financial support and mentorship, John launched his startup and expanded his business, creating jobs and making a positive impact in his community. His testimonial serves as a testament to the power of entrepreneurship and the opportunities that grants and scholarships can provide for career advancement. Maria, a healthcare professional, benefited from the Healthcare Heroes Scholarship, which supported her journey towards becoming a nurse practitioner. Through the scholarship's financial assistance and mentorship, Maria was able to complete her studies and fulfill her dream of making a difference in patient care. Her story showcases the profound impact of scholarships in empowering individuals to pursue their career aspirations and contribute to society. These success stories exemplify the tangible benefits of accessing hidden grants and scholarships for career advancement. By featuring real-life testimonials and outcomes, we aim to inspire viewers to explore these opportunities and unlock their full potential in achieving their dream careers. Expert advice and tips. Welcome to our segment on expert advice and practical tips for navigating the world of grants and scholarships to achieve your dream career. Today, we have invited guest speakers and professionals in the field of financial aid to share valuable insights on securing funding for education and career development. Our guest speakers emphasize the importance of thorough research when exploring grants and scholarships, as well as understanding eligibility criteria and application requirements. They stress the significance of aligning your goals and aspirations with the specific opportunities available to increase your chances of success. To effectively navigate the world of grants and scholarships, our experts recommend creating a personalized plan that includes setting clear objectives, organizing application materials, and seeking guidance from mentors or advisors. They also highlight the importance of showcasing your unique strengths, experiences, and achievements in your applications to stand out to selection committees. Empowering our viewers with actionable steps, our experts encourage proactive engagement in networking events, workshops, and informational sessions to expand their knowledge and connections in the field of financial aid. By staying informed, persistent, and strategic in their approach, viewers can enhance their chances of securing the financial support needed to pursue their dream careers. Stay tuned for more expert advice and practical tips on unlocking hidden grants and scholarships for career advancement. As we conclude our exploration of hidden grants and scholarships for dream careers, it is essential to recap the key points discussed and encourage viewers to take action towards achieving their professional aspirations. Throughout this video, we have emphasized the importance of uncovering lesser-known financial opportunities that can significantly impact career growth and development. By tapping into hidden grants and scholarships, individuals can alleviate financial burdens, gain access to valuable resources, and propel themselves towards their dream careers. Financial stability plays a crucial role in pursuing and sustaining long-term career goals. By securing funding through grants and scholarships, individuals can focus on their professional development, expand their skill sets, and seize new opportunities in their chosen fields. We urge our viewers to take proactive steps towards exploring hidden grants and scholarships that align with their career aspirations. Research, apply, and leverage these financial resources to unlock your full potential and advance in your dream career. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 75 to choose from.